Again, there's your front door, your little dining room table, there's your back door, and then here's your catwalk. And again, remember, just like we got this one here walled off and privatized, this bedroom here, we can do that over here as well, okay? Another thing we can do is bring out that floor over this way more so it's less catwalk and more bedroom, because a lot of people got them big king size beds you want to fit back here. So all we got to do is take this floor and bring it out this way, shorten the catwalk and make the bedroom bigger. Now we can accommodate a big old king size bed. Okay, so remember, we can wall this off, we can bring the floor out, lots of different options there. And again, let's go in here real quick to show you what this looks like. And voila, this is your, it's kind of like an A-frame style bedroom. Again, let me close the door and turn around so you see what it looks like when you're actually in the bedroom. Super cool, right? So again, this is the Big Bertha. There goes my phone. Big Bertha 1.0, and I'm getting ready to walk inside the Big Bertha 3.0. Okay, let me hurry up here because I got a bunch of people I got to call back. My phone rings like crazy. All right, they don't call me the cabin cowboy for nothing now, so let me hurry up here real quick. Okay, so I promised you we'd walk over to the 3.0, so we're going to do that real quick. Again, one last look inside, and remember, this one is $79,000 if you just buy it like it is and finish it yourself. Lots of DIYers out there that don't mind rolling up their sleeves, doing their own electric, plumbing, heating, and cooling. So if you want to do that, it's $79,900. Or if you don't want to mess with none of that, you just want us to do it all, this one's $110,000, fully turnkey. So let me walk outside and then make our way over to the 3.0 and show you one more shot of outside of the 1.0. Dang it, my phone. Okay, so here's the outside of it again, of the 1.0. Show you from over here. Again, front side. Let me get one more angle here, and then we're gonna go into 3.0. Okay, that way you can see what it looks like. I'll get it over here, over there. And one more thing, you see how we got the front porch on it? If you want, we can also put that front porch, we can put it on the back side as well. So you got two porches, or let's say you don't got no views on the front, you only got views on the back, we can just move the porch from the front to the back. Okay, and just have the porch on the back side. So we do that a lot too, because some people ain't got no views on the front of their cabins, they just got views on the back. So we can do that, or put two porches on there. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. The shutters are green, but we can change it to any color you want. Same with the roof, same with the stain color. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then here's the 3.0. Let's go in there real quick. It's gonna be a long video, guys, so you can watch me in 2x speed if you want to speed it up. But I like to do a price comparison and cabin comparison video because I never did it quite like this before. So again, on this one, let me give you some quick dimensions. On the Big Bertha 1.0, this is 796 square feet. The dimensions are 14 by 32, livable times 2, because you got the second floor, and the front porch is 6 foot by 32 foot covered. So 6 by 32 porch, and then 14 by 32 livable times 2. This one here has a 6 foot by 46 foot porch, and then livable is 14 by 46 times 2. And on this one, the second floor actually goes all the way across the top as well. Okay, so this one's about just shy of 1,100 square feet livable, and this one is 796 square foot. So just shy of 800 square foot livable. Let's go inside and show you this one real quick. Notice they already got all the electric. This one's already got electric and everything running through it. It's got 200 amp electric already in this one. So you walk inside. I'm losing my voice. By the way, guys, real quick, hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe button, share this content. I work real hard on these videos. So please do me a favor. As you can see, I don't know how to edit, so I just do these in one take. So I'm doing the best I can. So if you appreciate the content, hit the like, share, and follow. You know, I'm old school. I'm a Gen Xer 1979 model. I don't know how to do all that editing stuff and stuff like that. So I just do all these in one take. So it's real kind of rough and uncut. But we do the best we can, okay? So over here, you see the beautiful LVP floors. You walk in, got your living room, These are the new stoves that we're selling. Beautiful stoves. That's a cook stove, by the way, too. So you can cook on top of it. Put your wood at the bottom, cook on the top, and then you even got a warming oven. You cook right here. You got your warming oven right over here, which is super cool. Isn't that pretty? That's where your wood goes at the bottom. Isn't that pretty? Anyways, let me not get distracted. We're talking about the cabin. So you get your living room here. One of the things I like to talk about, one second, my other phone, is you see how we got the white accent wall there? Some people love that. We got a white accent wall here, and the rest is all this knotty pine. Some people love knotty pine, and they want that all throughout, but some people want to break it up a little bit and do some white walls or different color walls, and some people just want all white walls, right? They'll say, hey, I want the roof to be white, I want all white. So we do this just to show y'all you have options, okay? We can do all white walls, we can do a mix of knotty pine and white walls, or all knotty pine, okay? So keep that in mind. You got your back door here. This one here, you do have a downstairs bedroom. There's your 200 amp electric panel. You got a downstairs bedroom. That's a queen size bed, just for reference. And down in the bedroom, check this out. Look at this. You got your own full bathroom. And it's got the walk-in shower with the little seat, or we can put a tub if that's what you prefer. Okay? Got a little window here, your commode, and mirror, and some storage. Straight ahead, you got your light switches, of course, and a pocket door for privacy reasons, right? So you can handle your business in privacy, close that up, and this is what it looks like with the door closed to the bathroom, okay? Again, lots of natural light. This is a queen size bed. As you can see, there's room on the right or left to where we could go with a king size if you wanted to. We can push this wall out, change the all of that stuff. There goes the phone again. Over here, back door, got a little storage nook over there. That goes upstairs. Got a little nook here under the window where you can put your little dining room table. Beautiful galley kitchen. It comes with all your brand name appliances, stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. There's your dishwasher, refrigerator. Knotty pine, beautiful, handcrafted cabinets. You got a big window here at the end, allowing all kinds of natural light. You do have a little pantry over here in the kitchen for storing your kitchen essentials, okay? And then right here, again, you got some light switches straight ahead. That's your spot for your stackable washer and dryer. There they are, hot and cold. Dryer on the bottom, washer on top. Or if you're not into stackables, we can redesign this bathroom to accommodate a side-by-side dryer and washer. Again, you see we got the pocket door for privacy here. Underneath the stairs, like I said, you got 40-gallon water heater, or we can go on-demand tankless. There's your water heater. And this is the view of the living room. Open up the pocket door, and you got a really generous size second bathroom. This is your shared bathroom. Obviously, remember the other one was in the master bedroom. And open this up. And there you go. A little cabinet for your storing your bathroom essentials. Again, if you don't want the walk-in shower, we can put a tub, but these have been very popular because folks are getting older, and getting in and out of a tub can be high risk. You risk falling, going in the hospital and all that stuff. A lot of people got bad backs, bad knees, sciatica, all of that stuff. And a lot of ladies actually like this too. Got a little chair in here so you can sit down, shave your legs without falling over, or if you're older, sit down on there, wash your feet, and do it in a safe manner. Okay, but again, if a bathtub is a non-negotiable for you, because for some ladies, they gotta have their tubs, then we can also put a tub in there as well. Okay, so let's keep it moving. Again, one more quick view of the galley kitchen. This is your view here. If you're sitting there doing your dishes, looking out to your land, there's your front porch. Beautiful. Look to the right. Look to the left. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's take y'all upstairs real quick. And then I got to end this video. So as you can see, we left a lot of the character, a lot of this wood. We can seal it and make it look all prim and proper, but we left a lot of the character in this wood because it's real wood, right? So we wanted to leave some of those rustic accents in here to kind of show y'all, hey, it's a good mix between modern and rustic, this cabin right here, okay? Good mix between both. And remember, these railings can all come out as well. to move your furniture up and down these steps. Okay, I love how them steps kind of wrap around like that. Isn't that cool? And look at that pretty knotty pine, tongue and groove knotty pine all over. Isn't that pretty?